Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Daniel Bomo, and in this video I quickly want to just show you how you can create I want to show you how you can create video pins. Okay, so let's go back to our home. Okay, remember what I showed you in the first place. Let's go back to our home, or we can just simply call home, and let's wait. We click on create this plus icon, and then we click on this. No, not this, but this is not the particular pin I want to use. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is not the particular pin I want to use. Okay, this is the particular pin I want to use. This is the particular pin I want to use. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back. I'm sorry about that. So let's go back to our home. Let's look for those lengthy pins, those long pins. Those are the ones we are supposed to be using. So let's look for it now. Let's search for pins. Pinterest. Okay, 180, 920. 180 920. Okay, so this one is a bit longer. Okay, so what I will do here and now is this. Let's try video. Just come and text Pinterest video pins. Here, when you get to this template section, you can see now you have video pins already. You have them that this video pins, they've been recommended for you. So you look for the free versions, the ones that are free, and then you use them to create your designs as well. So let me show you one of the examples of the designs I did. Let's say this one is for a free one though. So a free one. The ones that have really worked for me. So let me look for a free one. Okay, here is one. Let me just take this one as an example. Okay, so this is an example of a free pen. See now, this one even has watermark. So I'm going to change the background. I'm going to change the background. I'm going to replace the background. I'm going to come and search for videos. So let me search for videos. And then let me look for something that I know I can use. Majorly when you are creating your Pinterest videos, it should be within the range of 6 seconds to 11 seconds, because you don't want your audience to just stay on Pinterest. You need to direct them to wherever page you're directing them to. So I'm going to use particular video. I'm going to click on it, and you see now. So when we play it, you can see that it has a different video on the background. So when you are creating your videos, kindly ensure that you create it and make it like a text overlay. Okay, often use this text overlay stuff. Just use text overlay. When I mean text overlay is like you have a video on the background and then you have text at the top. Do you get it now? For instance, now let me just come here and add text. Let me add text here, and then I'm gonna write a, let's just say, and as an example of property management. I'm just giving an example. Then I'll come here and I'll write. I'm just saying an example what you're supposed to do. What you must know. So this is like an example, so don't get it twisted. So I'm going to come here and then I will click on this, for instance. Okay, and I will come to where I have fonts. I can change the font style. I can change the font size. I can change the color. I can do the alignment. I can make it bold and stuff like that. But I'll come to effects, for instance. Now if I come to effects, I'll come to where I have this background. Okay, you see now there's background in this text. If you go to Pinterest, most of the video they have this background. So you have this background that is here, and then you can decide to use the shape you want. If you want it to be like this, or you want it to be normal, whatever it is. But the style, you come out the style. You see where you have these three lines on top of where you have the background. So you click on it. So here you'll be able to change the roundness, the spread, and of course the transparency, and of course you can also change what the color of the background. So if you want it to be red, if you want it to be pink, if you want it to be ash, whatever color you want it to be on the background, you can do that as well. So that's the same thing you apply to both of the text you're seeing there. So you can create a video and then you create a list. So whatever it is you're doing, just have the mind that you go to Pinterest, make your research, and then you start creating pins. I just can't stress this enough, but this is how you create your videos. I can't create a video from scratch here and now. Can't create a video from scratch now, but like I told you before, like when we we're doing our previous video, when I was talking about how to design your images, the same way you can also what duplicate your designs to make your work easier, and then probably change the image background. And of course, if you can't get a video that you like here, okay, if you can't get a video that you like here, you can go to platforms like pixels.com to get videos that you can put on your background. You can go to platforms like pixabay.com, and then you get videos that you can put on your background. Do you get it now? So you get videos that you can put on your background. I don't want this to be too lengthy, but if you have issues with that, please reach out to me and I'll help you sort it out. But I think it's something you can actually do on your own. If you can't use videos on Canva, go and search pixels.com and you will see images. Probably if you want to create email marketing videos or videos on real estate, you can even see them there like that. You get it now? So that's what you should do. Once you've done that, you can also come and use this thing to duplicate your designs. And of course, you can also create and then you schedule your posts. Now, one thing I must also note, I want you to also note that here and now is if you create multiple designs, for instance, let me just show you one thing now. Let me just duplicate this. Okay. If you create multiple designs like this, for instance, and then you go ahead to download, don't download all of them at a time. Because if you download all of them at a time, it will be downloaded as a zip file. So for you to do the download properly, what you do is you download them individually. For instance, now you have 3 pages that are here. You have 3 pages. Now, if you want to download page 1, you untick this one, and then you tick page 1, you download it. You see now you click on done, and then you come and click on download. So you download. Do you get it now? So you would have to download it. If you download everything, you would have a zip file. I'm saying this over and over again. The same thing is applicable to when you are even downloading your images. The same thing. So what you're doing there is, if it's in the case of an image you want to download, simply just come and then you choose the file format as what? As PNG. Don't use JPEG. Don't use PDF. Either use MP4 for videos and of course PNG for what? For images. And then of course you can come and select what the page you want to download, and then you click on done, and then you click on download. Instantly your file will be downloaded. So that is how you create both videos and images for your Pinterest pins. So thank you for watching this video to the end. Sorry about the noisy background. I'll see you in the next video.